Hari Om. I am Deepta of 8th B. Today, 15th October is celebrated as World Students' Day across the globe to mark the birth anniversary of the renowned aerospace scientist Bharat Ratna Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who also served as the 11th President of India. Dr. Kalam was known for his love for students and focus on promoting education. In his honor, United Nations declared 15th October his birthday as World Students' Day in 2010. Born as Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam on 15th October 1931 at Rameshwaram. He completed his schooling at Ramanathapuram, graduated in physics and completed his diploma in aeronautical engineering from Madras Institute of Technology. He started his career in 1958 with DRDO as a chief scientist. He joined ISRO as a project director, served as the scientific advisor to the Prime Minister and as the Secretary of Defence Research Development Organization. For his involvement in the nuclear power in India, he was known as the Missile Man of India. One of his greatest contributions is the development of missiles Agni and Prithvi. He was unanimously elected as the 11th President of India by NDA and Congress Party. He served the nation with an open heart, and that's why he was called as People's President. After leaving the presidential office, Dr. Kalam again turned to his old passion of teaching. He was a magnificent teacher who could impart knowledge to eminent scientists, aspiring youth and school students in an inspiring way. His lecture halls, which had an authorized audience of 60, would be filled with more than 350 participants, and his lecture would go on for hours. He could easily connect to the youth and inspire them to dream and pursue their passion. According to him, a nation's strength is its youth, and weakness is a nation without vision. He wrote many books. India 2020, Wings of Fire, Ignited Minds are notable among them. He was awarded prestigious civilian awards Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, and the highest civilian award Bharat Ratna. His words are always inspiring to those students who fear failure. According to him, if you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning. End is not the end. In fact, end means effort never dies. If you get no as an answer, remember, no means next opportunity. So let's be positive. His desire for global harmony and peace is clear from his speech at European Parliament in the year 2007. Where there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in the character. Where there is beauty in the character, there is harmony in the home. Where there is harmony in the home, there is order in the nation. And there is order in the nation, there is peace in the world. Unfortunately, India lost her intelligent and dynamic son in the year 2015 when he was delivering a lecture at Indian Institute of Management, Shillong. Even though he is no more, his vision of transforming India to a developed nation powered by economic growth with value system still remains. As the youth of India, let us strive towards his goal. Thank you.